Hey YouTube, welcome to Beauty and the Budget, and this is part 3 of our wig try-on series. And of course, these are affordable wigs. No wig hair past $30, alright? So we have another human hair pixie number for you today, and this one is from Outre. So this is Outre's Duby Wig line, alright? So it's their premium hairline. Actually took the wig out a while ago, but this is what the box looks like. So it is their premium hair line, and this one is called PIXIE. So that's a 1B, all right? And according to the stock card, this is what I'm supposed to look like when we done. This is what I'm supposed to look like, y'all. So, I'm a stranger to short wigs. If you were watching part 2, you would have known that this is the first I wear short wigs. As much as my hair cut off short now, I don't wear short wigs, right? But I'm willing to give these two a try. So this is the second in my short wig line, in part 3 of this wig series. So here we have Little Miss Pixie, right? Feels good, the hair feels good. To my great surprise, there's actually a comb at the back. So you see the label at the back, Duby, and there is a comb. And of course, you have the straps, so you can adjust it to fit your head. Now on my head, I have my wig grip, silicone grip band. So the silicone is on this side, and the fabric is on this side, right? So it's to keep my wig on my head. So now, I am going to try this baby on, and she is in the color 1B. Yes, 1B. It's not that dark for 1B. Well, 1B is not very dark still. So let's go. Okay, it has a curly thing going on that I kind of like. I don't know if you can see it up close, but it have a lot of curls in it, but not like your granny curls, more like you just went to the salon kind of curl. And it fits so snug, and I didn't even adjust the band. Let me see. You know, I like this one. I like this one. This one seems to come with minimal styling, but if you're feeling fussy, you could, you could get some Gorilla Snot gel and do your little swoop-de-doos at the front, like so. Hey, I like this. I feel like a pixie in a real life. Yeah, I could do this. Look at that. I never even had to do much. Let's check out the back. Ooh, let me fall off the chair. This is what the side looks like. And then this is the back. Can you see? I am trying not to fall off this here chair. Alright, so it lays flat. And on the other side, this is what we're looking like. And it's laying flat down on that side. I like this wig. You know why? It's low maintenance. The hair is realistic. It looks like when the stylist just finished give you a little bump when you have a pixie cut. The hairs are pliable, meaning that, I can twist them and coil them any way I feel like, and they just follow me. Look at that. I don't have anything on my hands, It's just my hands styling it. Look at that. See there? Just my hands. I'm liking this. I'm liking this one. This one seems to be way less styling. So if you're going to the mall, if you're going to the office, anywhere, this wig can just put on and you look like somebody's child. I like the pixie looking thing at the front though. I like that thing. And of course, when you put on the wig, remember that you need to take one of your tail combs and just slide it under the edge of the wig to make sure you haven't caught any hair under it. That's valuable real estate right there. Yeah, I like this. But you guys can tell me what you think. And based on how it is, I feel like the styling is so minimal that if I just place the hair with my fingers, it would stay put. But of course, if you want to ensure that it stays, you know, your style is rocking for the whole day and so on, you can do your little swoop-de-doop and set it how you want, to style it how you want at the front with a little bit of Gorilla Snot. Yes, I love me some Gorilla Snot gel. With a little bit of Gorilla Snot, and then just tie a scarf down around your edges. Just tie a scarf, just a band, and just tie it there for like a few minutes right before you're ready to leave. And then pull it out and go about your business. I like this one. Tell me what you think. It has an 80s kind of, no, early 90s R&B kind of vibe to it, you know? And I'm feeling that right now. I really am. So, yeah. Let's see what it looks like when I pull it down a little bit. Ooh, okay. So if you guys are like me and you're blessed with a forehead, you're blessed with many foreheads, then you can go ahead and pull it down. Alright guys, I know I'm not really styling it the way it's supposed to style, but one can do that, right? But just showing how the hair is just, you know, those good behaving children that you have? Like you boast about that child all the time. That's how this wig making me feel right now. Like it's such a well-behaved child. Look at the hair. They're just so well-behaved. Look at that. And I am not using any mousse. Look at that. Whoop. Look at that. Alright, so this wig is going to get me in problem. You know why? I feel like this wig will have me sitting in my office fiddling with these coils. But I like it. Tell me what you think. This once more is the, let me get the stock card. This once more is the Duby Pixie Wig from Outre. It's their premium line of human hair. Alright? And you can blow dry this hair, but I don't see where it says that. Well, actually you can use styling tools with this wig. So you can style it, but be careful, as I said, because you don't want to ruin the integrity of the hair. And I mean, it really doesn't need it. Just use your fingers and your styling mousse or whatever, and tie it down to mold it a little, and you are good to go. Ooh, let me try some of my glasses again. Ooh, ooh. Talk to me now. Talk to me, YouTube. Outre, you done good. Alright guys, so stay tuned again for another beauty on the budget, but for now, ciao.